Damn cool. Yeah, it's
Is that book that guy one of your inspirations?
yeah, he's the guy who kind of came up with the design of that chair.
Moose! Hey, buddy! Ow. So this is where all